G'day guys, Ninja here. I've got Jace
Hey,
on the
how are
table. So we're going to do a little bit different kind of work to what we normally do because Jace has just did some lifting last night. Really kind of sore through the hamstrings, the glutes. So from squats and deads. So yeah, we're going to give him more of a flush, help the
Bit of a recovery rub.
recovery out. So yeah, it's not our normal pinning style, but we're still going to do some fascial work but yeah, be a little bit different to normal. So yeah,
Nice.
So let's give it
Thanks,
a go.
Ange.
Might work on this leg closest to the camera and see if I can help you out a little bit, man.
Yeah.
So might get a bit of wax on the hands. And we can do a bit of flushing through inside hamstring adductors is where we kind of cop it quite a bit from our style of squatting. Our deep, natural, pure squat is what we're trying to achieve. So it's very practical.
Really hits
functional.
these areas, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really hits them, and but it really helps out mobility. So, like, we don't really do any static stretching as a practice.
Never do static stretching for
But yeah, but we squat deep, we lift heavy, and we sprint, and we jump, and we do
explosive movements.
explosive movements, and it really keeps you mobile because you need to go through full range whenever you're doing that kind of work. So yeah, so we stay mobile but also strong and functional by doing the global movements, the big ones.
And part of those, like the squats and the deads, is like we're going slow, like we're building up the weight. Like we've obviously been lifting for a while, so we know what we're at. But if someone new's learning it, they're going quite light so that we can work on the depth of the squat. It's not just about how heavy you're going, it's more making sure that movement is quality first, so that they're getting the benefits of strength, but also that mobility that we're trying to target. So
Yep.
yeah, it's not just brute strength that we're going after. It's making sure they're in good form, good technique, getting their depth right, getting the right angles on the deadlift and the squat. So yeah, there's a lot that goes into it more than just they're just deadlifts and squats and
Lifting heavy. Yeah, we've got a lot of preparation work that goes in, haven't we?
Well, how many years have you been lifting for, Ninja?
Yeah, I've been doing it seriously, like the deadlifts and squats, since 2001. So
Bloody hell, 21 years.
22 years.
22 years.
Nearly at the end of 2023 right now.
Yeah, I'm getting the wrong year.
Yeah. So I'm just going to hook in here. Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, whenever people start squatting and deadlifting with us, we don't just get them to lift heavy straight off the bat, because we want them to. We don't want to break people. We want to be smart about it. We want to develop their pattern, develop their confidence, and kind of try and find out where their strength is, to keep good form at the start. So there is a real method to it. So we want people to succeed, and we want people to be lifting and sprinting and things.
And we want it to be sustainable as well, don't we?
Yeah.
It's not like we're trying to build them up to break them. It's build them up so that they don't need, they only need that treatment for maintenance sort of stuff rather than actually fixing pain or issues that they've got. So most of the people that come to our lift clubs and sprint clubs are customers, so they've come with some sort of pain or injury that they've needed fixed, and then the lifting and sprinting is an add-on from that to prevent that injury from coming back or build some strength around the area that was weak that might have been contributing to the pain. So yeah, it's all sort of one holistic program aimed at getting people pain-free and staying pain-free.
Yep. How's it feeling?
It's feeling good, yeah.
Feeling good, not going too hard on you?
Nice gentle touch you've got there going in.
I can do it. I can do it. May not have seen it before, but yeah, it is possible. So yeah, I think a big part of what we do once we fix people is we try and maintain it.
Yeah.
So prevent further injuries and like pick up on things before they become an issue. And I think that's a really important thing to think about with health. It's habits that are so important if you want to be healthy and strong and fit and vibrant, all those kind of things, have energy. You've got to be doing a lot of different things right. So it's not just one-off acts. It's the old Aristotle.
Yeah. Oh, you were building up to it, Ninja. It was good. What's the saying?
You repeatedly do.
That's it.
Yeah, excellence is not a one-off act; it's a habit. I think that was over 2,000 years ago. So you fucking nailed it.
Yeah.
Nailed it back then, Aristotle.
And we're still living by it now, Ninja, aren't we?
Yeah, we love it. We love it.
And I guess that's what we're trying to pass on to the people that do come to our lift clubs and sprint clubs is you only need to just create that habit of lift is at the start of the week, you do deadlift squats and a circuit or something like that once a week. Then you've got your sprints to finish the week, and they're your main sessions that you build your week around in terms of your training habits. Yep. If you start with those 2 sessions, majority of the population will be strong, fit, healthy, pain-free just from doing those 2 sessions. Where all these people out here doing push-pulls, upper body, lower body, splits, and everything like that. Sometimes they're overtraining their body, overloading it unnecessarily, or they're not doing quality sessions. So,
that's it.
Oh, there's a bit more.
Bit more spice.
Yeah.
Got a few flies. A few around as well. Yeah, a few flies. Feels good, huh?
It does. Good to have the sun on my back as well.
Yeah,
Bit of vitamin D.
Get out in nature, get the sun, get the fresh air, get your shoes off.
Responsibly, of course.
Yeah. No, it's all about dosage. Anything in life, or we're talking about health today, but
Moderation.
It's all about dosage. Yeah, it's like things that are healthy for you doesn't mean that you kind of abuse them too. You can have too much of it. It doesn't equate. It doesn't add up. So your body will reject it. Like if you have too much cacao, too many mushrooms, things like that. Leo knows that one.
Too many mushrooms and he's spending half his day not filming.
Yeah, you're on the
he's
Warwick.
running between the Warwick.
On the toilet all day. Anyway, that's what part one of half a recovery treatment would look like. So.
That's it, done.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, you wrapped it
I'm
up?
going to do the other one now, but we won't do that on camera.
Thanks, mate.
But if you do like us, please subscribe. 88%, I think, of people that watching these videos don't actually subscribe to us. So it's a lot of people that could be thrown into our algorithm and help us out, help us get this sort of work out and around the world. So we think it's really important. Got good body work, but also authentic humans. Being funny sometimes.
We think so anyway.
Being ourselves, this is just who we are, and so I think there should be a lot more of that getting out in the world. So if you can, like, subscribe, share, and
don't forget we've also just launched a calendar as well. If you've made it to this point of the video, go to the community board. There's a community post. We've posted a few links to go and purchase the calendar. So 90s Gym Fitness or 90s Gym Fantasy is the calendar. So. Yeah, jump on. If you purchase it before December 13, was it, Ninja? I think you can get it before Christmas. So
yeah, that's right.
Make sure you get on that.
Give them a bit over a week to print it and then to send it to wherever you are in the world.
That's it, anywhere in the world.
Yeah, it's a good system. I think there's 60 different countries that are they're affiliated with the people that we're getting to produce our calendar, so they can print it in your country or your region.
And why not ring in the new year with MMT as your months?
That's it.
Constant reminder.
Yeah, MMT, the characters.
That's it.
We're not supermodels, but we
tried our best, didn't we?
Yeah,
some of us are better than others. Das, I reckon, has been a supermodel before.
He's the star.
He had the pose down pat, didn't he?
Yeah, he's a pure model, but the rest of us, we did our best. Good thing we had a good photographer, Tony Ryan. Thanks for making us look good, because amazing what you can do with a camera when you know what you're doing.
I'd hate to see the outtakes that didn't make the calendar,
Oh, you might be able to see them. We've got plenty of shots that didn't make the cut. We could only choose 12 pictures, 12 months, and plus the cover. So if you buy it. Buy our calendar. Buy our calendar.
There it is, done, guys. Thank you.